Hello guys, this is Keyapp, platform for app analytics and app keyword promotion, and it is a new episode of Keyapp Academy. But before watching this video, please subscribe to our channel to get all the news about App Store optimization, keyword promotion, and of course to get updates from our service. Also, if you like our videos, please leave your comments and likes. We really appreciate this, and this makes us to create even more video content for you. And today we would like to discuss how to get for what keywords your competitor apps receive organic installs and how to start receiving organic downloads from these same keywords. In many of our previous videos, we have already discussed that both App Store optimization and keyword promotion should be started with keyword research. Actually, there are a lot of ways to proceed with keyword research, like you can brainstorm, you can use different App Store optimization services, but one of the most important steps when you do keyword research for your application is, of course, analysis of your competitors. So anyway, when you start a keyword research, both for App Store optimization or keyword promotion, the first thing which should be got is for which search request your application is already in top 250. So this means that this search requests may be taken to the promotion campaigns. So to get this at our platform, it is possible to use Smart Campaign section, which actually can show for which keywords you can already promote your application. You can analyze the app for different regions, and this tool shows you the list of search requests like here. I would like to mention that today we work with the Bitcoin and crypto wallet app, and we will mostly talk about such keywords and such applications. So when you get this list of the keywords, you understand that they may be taken to promotion because the application could be found in top 250. So when you say you gather all these keywords and add them to your keyword research when you prepare the promotion campaigns. I would recommend to add all the search requests both with score, which shows the popularity, and of course with the current position, because this will help you to analyze the results after you actually finish the keyword campaign, after you achieve the particular rank. But what's more important here is that in such a way you can analyze both your application and also you can analyze the application your competitors have. So you can add the app to the platform and proceed with this tool to get which positions competitors' app has on this store. It is possible both for Google Play and for App Store to proceed like this. So to analyze the competitor, the first thing I do is going to Google Play, and as we work with Bitcoin and crypto app, I just typed Bitcoin to the search bar and has taken the first app, the app which occupies top one for the keyword Bitcoin. So in such a way, you can copy the link to this application and add it to our platform to analyze. So we add the application, and today we work with United States, so we will analyze the app for this region. Continue, we just skip this, and system starts to analyze the application and generate the keywords for which competitor app is in top 250. So the system analyzed the competitor app and basically showed the same list of the keywords with popularity and with the current position of the application in the chosen region, and it is for the USA actually in our case. So you can create a separate list where there will be the keywords for which your competitors ranked and for which they may have high positions. Under high, I mean that they may be in top 10, for example, where the most part of organic traffic is generated from the search. In such a way, you add all the keywords or to your list of the keywords or at our platform to my keywords section, just you choose the competitor app. And you can check the positions actually. I have added one, the most important keyword for this category. It is Bitcoin. And as we may see, the application occupies top one for this search request. In the case with the application we work with, it occupies approximately top 50 for this keyword, so we understand that our competitor has quite higher position and actually it gets more organic traffic from the search when users in the US looking for the search request Bitcoin on Google Play. In such a way, we can gather the keyword list for your competitor. So we can first of all add keywords by our own. We can use suggest like Bitcoin wallet. We see that competitor occupies top one as well. And in such a way, we can create a group of keywords competitor app has with the word Bitcoin. It will be the group number one, and the core element of all the keywords in this group will be Bitcoin and Bitcoin wallet. So let's start. You can do this with suggestions, like you see that we add Bitcoin wallet app. It is quite relevant for such type of applications. Bitcoin wallet for Android, Bitcoin wallet account, and all the positions the competitor app has is here. So we also can like brainstorm by our own and add some keywords which may be important for us, like Bitcoin app, Bitcoin free, Bitcoin USA. For example, we just gather this group with as many keywords as possible. So the positions are analyzed. Here we can also use suggests to gather more keywords, Bitcoin application, Bitcoin app to make money. Let's check here suggestions, Bitcoin free wallet, Bitcoin free earning app. And now we check the positions to understand for which keywords our main competitor may receive traffic. As you may see, we have already gathered 12 keywords with the main core Bitcoin, and actually in top one there are only two keywords, Bitcoin and Bitcoin wallet. But if to be honest, when we are talking about crypto category, these two keywords are the most important alongside with, for example, crypto and crypto wallet, but it will be already the second group of the keywords we will work with the main element crypto. So we see that the application has top one for the most important keywords. In such a case, we understand that most probably they receive the considerable part of organic traffic exactly from these keywords. Let's start with group number two with crypto. We add first of all crypto and crypto wallet. And then we will do the same. We will go the same way with suggestions. The positions are analyzed. So the positions for crypto are analyzed. Let's do suggest, like cryptocurrency, crypto wallet app for Android, crypto wallet tracker. All the positions here are analyzed, but they are quite low. The group of the keywords which this application has with the core element crypto with low positions. So according to this, we can make an assumption that actually this application, which is the main our competitor according to app reviews, app rating, this application gets most part of the traffic from the keyword Bitcoin and Bitcoin wallet. Let's go to our application with which we work and check which positions we have for the same search requests. So I have chosen the application, the region, and let's type Bitcoin wallet, adding. The positions are checked and we may see that they are quite low. So for the keyword Bitcoin, the app is on 23rd position and Bitcoin wallet is 38th. It means that basically for us, it is important to increase the ranks exactly for these keywords because our main competitor, which is more popular on Google Play, has top positions for this search request. So we will start keyword campaign for the same search request to try at least to achieve top 3, and of course we would try to beat the competitor and take the rank number 1. So, as you understand, in such a way, you can analyze not only one of your competitors, but also, for example, create a group of 4 or 5 competitors, analyze them all with the help of our tool, with the help of my keywords, and get for which keywords they have the highest position and to try to increase your app position for the same search requests with the aim to attract more organic traffic. Also, if we are talking about competitors, and here I would like to talk about some brands, as you know, it is forbidden to mention the competitor brand in your app title, in your app description. On App Store, actually, it is possible to mention, for example, in keyword field, but you should be ready that in some moment Apple can see it and like send a letter that it is forbidden. But in such a case, what ways we have to get into the index for the brand name of your competitor? I would recommend here to try working with app reviews for Google Play. You know that Google Play check reviews as well as tags for the keywords. So basically, if you order some keywords and you create the tags for them or just add the competitor name to the review text, it may give the possibility to get into the index for this particular brand name. So you will be in top 250. And then already it is possible to promote the application for the competitor keyword. Of course, it is important to mention that most probably you won't get top 1 for the brand name because usually top 1 is occupied by the app who owns this brand. But anyway, it is possible to get top 2, top 3, and of course remember that there may be not so high amount of traffic from the brand keywords because mostly brand apps receive the considerable part of organic downloads. So just to sum up, when you want to promote your application for competitors keywords, for the keywords where your competitor apps are in top 1 and top 5, first of all, you need to analyze the competitors and to get for which keywords they can receive organic traffic. Most probably these keywords will be in top 3. So you will be able to get this and to start promotion for the same keywords as well. And if it is not brand name, you have all the chances to get top 1 instead of your competitor, even for high traffic keywords. When we are talking about some brand names, it is important to remember that most probably the application which is not branded won't get top 1 for the brand keyword because it will be occupied by the original app. Also, it is important to remember that mostly the considerable part of organic traffic for brand search requests is received by original app. But anyway, if you want to try, it is still possible, and it is needed just to understand all these issues connected with brand names. So if you have some questions about keyword promotion, about keyword analysis, please contact our support team or your personal manager. We are always happy to help. Get top positions in the search with Keyapp.